Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Monday. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. It is a new week. Another unboxing to do. This is coming from my good friends at Undercover Poo. Yes, that is right. Undercover Poo. Definitely excited to try this out. So check them out, YouTubers. Links are going to be down. Oh, we got to pull tab. Alright. Here comes the winner. Wham. Everyone just check these guys out. Links will be down below. Something new to try. So in case you're over at your friend's house somewhere and you gotta drop some bombs into the porta-john, this is what you're gonna need with you. You don't want to be stinking up their restroom. So definitely pop one tablet that fizzes. Conveniently small toilet odor eliminating tablets. You could leave a fresh scent. I mean, they might think it's kind of weird though that their toilet smells a little funny afterwards, but compared to what it could smell like after you get done doing your business, this will be a nice little cover-up. We're about to try it down in my dungeon in the basement. Do not eat these, even though they look like candy. These are not candy. Do not eat them. The little fizzies, you pop it in and drop it. Drop it like it's hot. So here we go. Let's see if I could open these things up. Where is that? Especially now since the holidays are coming up, over for family dinner. You never know when you slide in the first, you might feel a little burst. Grab a couple of these and you'll feel a lot better. Just drop them in the toilet before you go. That's his first step. So there's what they look like. I don't want to touch really right now. Oh, they smell really good. They're not candy. They're not Mentos. Do not eat these. No challenges. Just before you poop, just drop. And I'll be back. I'm going to show you what it does down in the basement. I'll be back. Alrighty, YouTubers. We're down in the dungeon. We got this thing open. So, like I said, before you make your business, make sure you drop one. I'm going to try to do it without touching the tablet. I think it's safe though to touch, but definitely not to eat. There we go. Whoa. It's fizzing. Holy smokes, it actually smells good. Whoa. So if you ever get the runs and you're at your friend's house, grab a couple of these, put one in your purse, your pocket, coat pocket, and I guess they'll be happy they'll get a clean toilet out of the deal too. So definitely, YouTubers, check these guys out. Undercover Poo. Look at that fizzle. Alright, see, that's what it looks like after, but you won't tell because, like I said, once that's fizzes, do your business, drop your bombs, and then flush. So it won't look like that once you get out. It'll just smell a lot better. And YouTubers, check them out. Link will be down below. You guys have a great day. Be safe out there and stay fresh. See ya.